Alright. Checkup time. Let's see where the hell we're at over here. Whew. And it's coming down. I mean, if this is till tomorrow, this is going to be fucked up. Let's see where George is. Whoa, okay. Up to the waist. Okay, let's see what we're at now. Okay, it's 3 inches everywhere I. Okay, a little over 3 inches now. Yep, a little over 3. I mean, God, gotta put boots on. Wearing fucking sneakers. Sucks. What are you gonna do? I hear someone put a shovel. I hear it, but I don't see it. Man, but it's blowing in my face. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm by my house. Selling. Whew. Let's see, sanitation. I don't know if they came or not. Yeah, looks like somebody came down a little bit. So, but it's blowing, I mean, all over. But it looks beautiful. Only when it snows. It's the only time it's needed. Right. Back to the house. Fucking freezing my balls off doing this documentary to you people. But it is fun. Back to the Jet game. It was 38-31 Bears. Fucking Rex Ryan, this dumb fucking foot fetish motherfucker. Stupid. Alright, G. Come check up on you a little bit later. Alright. Talk to you later. I'll be here. My flight ain't going nowhere. All canceled. Okay. Talk to you later, G.